You've probably seen those insanely viral AI video ads, right? But here's the thing. They're all built using something called JSON prompting. And no, it's not some techie gibberish. It's a creative cheat code. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use JSON prompting to turn your ideas into high-quality, scroll-stopping AI ads in minutes. It all started when this creator posted a wild IKEA-style unboxing video made entirely with AI. That one video exploded. But here's the twist. You're not limited to IKEA. You can use JSON prompting to create ads for any brand, characters, or concept you can imagine. Think Samsung in a cinematic reveal. SpongeBob popping out of a treasure chest into a themed bedroom. Even luxury-style ads for Gucci or Lamborghini. I'm going to break it all down with real examples, free resources, and the exact prompts I use. Before we dive in, let's clear up one thing. JSON prompting isn't magic. It's not some secret spell that makes your videos automatically look epic. It's just a format, a structured way of telling the AI exactly what you want scene by scene. Think of it like giving your director a detailed shot list rather than just shouting, "Make it cool!" All right, let's build one together. So first things first, you'll need access to Google's Veo v3 model. I'm using Google Flow for this. If you want to try it for free, just jump over to Google AI Pro, check out their subscription plans, and you can get a free 1-month trial. Once you're inside Google Flow, here's what you do. Pick text to video. Make sure not to choose image to video. Double check that you're using the Veo v3 model, not Veo 2. The video will come out in 720p by default, but don't worry, you can always upscale it later. Choose fast mode if you want to save some credits. Finally, just paste in your prompt. I'll share my prompts in a doc linked below so you can get started right away. Let me show you an example I made using a Labubu room transformation prompt. While it struggled with the character a bit, probably because it's a newer concept, the result? Still pretty cool. Here's what a JSON-style prompt looks like. It's written like code, but don't worry, you don't need to code. You're basically telling the AI what camera angles to use, what lighting to add, what elements to show. In what order, it's all about giving structure to your creativity. Most people write prompts like box explodes, cool lighting, but with JSON you're saying scene 1, close-up of sealed box. Scene 2, camera zooms in. Scene 3, box opens with particles, glowing light inside. Much more cinematic, much better results. Now let me show you how to generate your own prompt instantly. I found a free tool that auto-writes JSON prompts for you. Just click the link in the description to access my chatbot. Let's try this. Give me a JSON VEO3 prompt for a box opening into a Scooby-Doo style room transformation. Boom! The bot writes the full cinematic prompt. Copy it, paste it into Flow, run it, and done. Here's what that prompt created. And it's honestly super fun to watch. Here are a few more I created just for fun and experimentation. SpongeBob jumps out of a treasure chest into an underwater-themed bedroom filled with bubbles and jellyfish lights. Rolex product reveal with timeless luxury aesthetics and smooth, elegant camera transitions. Nike Air Jordan ad with sleek visuals, cinematic lighting, and futuristic transitions. Lamborghini speed shot, pure cinematic eye candy with neon-lit tunnels and slow-motion drifts, and my absolute favorite, the Dunkin' Donuts cinematic ad with floating sprinkles and creamy transitions. These look like they cost $50,000 plus to produce, but they were made with just a few prompts. Heads up, some prompts will take a few tries to get just right. That's normal. Don't give up after one render. Great results usually take 3 to 4 generations. Pro tip, be specific and imaginative. The more creative your vision, the more likely you'll get a standout result. And if you're promoting a product or idea, yeah, this can replace traditional ads. Seriously. If you want my full prompt pack, including every prompt I used in this video, it's completely free. Just grab it from the link below. Go try this out for yourself. Make something wild, and drop your best idea in the comments. I'd love to see what you come up with. That's it for now. I'll see you in the next one.